For SAP customers in plant maintenance and enterprise asset management, mobile solutions are essential for staying efficient and competitive. That's why On-Device Solutions built myJobCard, a mobile application developed from the ground up as a native app, delivering a fast, seamless experience across mobile and desktop. As a trusted SAP partner, we've worked closely with frontline teams across industries. Hands-on insight that shaped myJobCard into a field-proven solution with SAP-certified integration. It does the heavy lifting: work order management, asset hierarchy, material consumption, time confirmations, attachments, inspection lots, and more, through an AI interface that frontline workers actually enjoy using. We pioneered digital forms and took them further. Our native advanced form engine uses AI-driven enhancements to capture data via voice, photos, or text, speeding up tasks like equipment checklists and vehicle inspections. myJobCard also supports multilingual capability out of the box, enabling global teams to work in their preferred language, improving usability and adoption across regions. myJobCard also integrates with IoT platforms and sensors to support real-time push notifications. We lead in wearable integration, enabling hands-free execution of critical workflows. We deliver industry-leading remote support and real-time connectivity. With myJobCard, mobile EAM is reimagined, smarter, faster, and more connected. We can typically deliver a proof of concept within 1 week and a pilot for your business in just 4 to 6 weeks. Get in touch today to arrange a demo, free trial, or proof of concept.